Everyone, in this session, we are going to discuss about cement and different types of cement. We all know that cement is a binding material. It is a binding material. It is used in concrete for binding the coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. The durability of concrete and the durability of a structure will completely depend upon the quality of cement and type of cement used in it. And in previous session, we have discussed about how to manufacture a cement. Understand that? So again, we will have a small look in that. So we know that the cement is manufactured in industry, which is called as a cement plant, and the basic raw materials used for a cement plant for manufacturing a cement are limestone and clay. So these two are the raw materials most commonly used for manufacturing a cement. So in cement plant, these two raw materials like limestone and clay will mix with each other in certain proportions, and then we have to send it into a kiln. In kiln, we have to heat that mixture up to a temperature around 1400 degrees centigrade. At the temperature, the mixture of these two materials, limestone and clay, will become a product. That product is called as clinker. After that, we have to bring out the clinker, we have to cool it, and after cooling it, we have to convert it into powdered form, or we have to convert it into finely divided form. So that powdered clinker is called as cement. To that cement, we need to add 2% of gypsum. So that gypsum is added for the setting time of cement. Okay now. So after adding gypsum to the cement, that product is called as ordinary Portland cement or OPC. This is the procedure involved in the manufacturing of cement. It means first of all we need to mix the two raw materials, limestone and clay. After that we need to send it into a kiln. In that kiln we need to heat it at up to a temperature 1400 degrees centigrade. At that much of heat, the mixture will become into a product called as clinker. That clinker or that product will be cooled and powdered into a finely divided particles. So that powdered form of clinker is called as a cement. To that cement we need to add 2% of gypsum. After that, that final product is called as ordinary Portland cement or Portland cement or OPC. Understand or no? So this is the process involved in the manufacturing of cement. So whatever the changes we need to raw materials, or whatever the some additional materials we will add to this process while manufacturing cement. Understand or no? So those additionally added compounds or additionally added materials are called as additives. Additives. So based upon the additives used to this process, the types of cement has been determined. It means because if we consider for the manufacturing of a cement, everywhere throughout the world the quality of raw materials may not be same, and the composition of raw materials may not be same, and and also the environmental conditions, and also the availability of required quantity of water, and also the required circumstances may be same or may not be same. So for that, but at the end, after manufacturing the cement, the quality of cement should be attained. It means the product from the industry should attain certain required quality. Understand or no? So to give required quality of a product, it means here product means cement. To give required quality of a product to the cement manufacturer, we add some additives. Those additives are called as process additives. And also for different types of structures need different types of concrete. It means the concrete will add cement will add durability to structure, and also cement will add workability to concrete, and cement also, it means the different properties like resistance against chemical attack, and also resistance against against various environmental conditions, and also resistance against air entraining, and also the capability of water cement ratio, and also the reduction in water quantity. All those parameters will give cement to the concrete. It means those properties of cement are called as end properties. Understand or no? So whatever the properties of cement we consider to determine the quality of cement, those properties are called as cement properties or quality parameters. And whatever the properties cement will add to concrete, those properties are called as end properties of cement. See, additives. Additives are nothing but we will use it means we will